It's interesting to see in this picture that the library is almost empty, and I know that the libraries are like a shrine and few people like to be in silence. In the picture you can see three people reading or studying and the librarian doing her or his job. In this picture there are one people in the queue waiting his turn to deliver or lend a material. Usually in the library you can lend books, newspaper, films, magazine. The man waiting in the file is wearing a black jean shirt and also a black backpack. The person who is attending is also dressing in black clothes. The floor of the library is painted in red, or maybe it's a red carpet. After the entrance, this is a staircase with 6 steps, and then the magic word of the reading room, the shelf full of books. In this picture, you can feel the silence of the environment. In the picture, it's possible to see 4 or 5 bookcases from top to down, plenty of books, but it's probable that there are so much that I can't see. The walls are painted in blue, and in those walls are many of stained glass windows. 5 that in this photo. The room is full of light. It is possible to say that is day or night. It's impossible to say if it is day or night, but I dare to say that the picture was taken in the day because you can see the light through the windows. Standing in the desk, showing her back, a woman with blonde hair, with her computer unlocks and one book opens at the left side. In the back of her chair is hanging a blue and yellow jacket. Another man is in the room wearing a grey shirt and with so many papers in the writing table. In her back rests a grey and black blazer, and at her feet lies a blue bag. It is highly possible that in the reading room there are another person because there is an open laptop. Well, bye bye.